Thanks for checking out this quick video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to just be showing you how to create a white border around your masked subject. So popular in a lot of thumbnails on YouTube. We're in Premiere Pro here, and we've already masked out our subject, and now we just want to create a kind of white line around him. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to go ahead and highlight the layer that I'm working on, and I'm going to right click and nest it. All right. Once it's nested, you can come over to the effects control panel and go ahead and search for glow. And we're going to be applying alpha glow onto this clip. And as you can see, what it does is it kind of creates this, layer of glow around our subject. And we can change the color, so we can say white. We want it to be white. And we can increase it, or we can decrease it, and now we have this white line around the subject. Now if we zoom in really closely, just looking at the finer details, you can see it's not that pretty, right? So that's going to depend a lot on your image and on your mask. So if we double click this here, we can come into this masked image that I've masked, and we can see the feather and the masked expansion. And we can play with that. All right, so let's increase the feather, decrease the expansion, come back, and you can see how that changes things. If we set the feather to 0, you'll be able to see that that line around is a lot cleaner. Okay, so it's all going to depend though on what you're working with. If it's just a JPEG that you're trying to create the line around, it's going to be a lot cleaner. Okay. But that's how you create the white line. It's what we use all the time. I hope this helped. Simple effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for checking this video out.